You've made it to the end of your hoop. Congratulations. We're going to close it up. So first you're going to need a thread that's long enough to wrap around the entire circumference of the hoop, and then we're going to use a running stitch. And you can steal my quickie method here for doing it. We're going to do this around all 360 degrees of the embroidery hoop until it's finished, and then I'm going to show you my fancy schmancy way of tightening the hoop and getting it to stay tight. So we're wrapping up the last few stitches in our running stitch, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a slip knot in the very first stitch that you did. So go ahead, slip your needle through, and then you're going to go ahead and create a slip knot. And when you pull tight on this slip knot, it will tighten the thread, but it's not actually going to stay put. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert our needle through the second stitch that you did. So go one more stitch down, feed your needle through that, create a slip knot in that, pull tight, and this will actually stay secure. So you're going to make another stitch just to make it extra secure. And then you're going to go ahead and you can hide the string. You can feed it through the fabric layers, trim it that way, that way you can hide your thread. Otherwise, you are all finished, and congratulations.